The reason why this is so important for me and why I've dedicated my career to this type of work is I know of the positive impact that it has on people's lives. Our small contribution that we can make have resulted in exponential improvements, whether interacting with family, whether it be a grandchild or a sibling, or they're even their own kids. The impact is tremendous. We see so many patients that have had challenges in their life prior. Many of them are often scared to even visit their dental office and even walk into this building. So often I hear of a patient like, I wasn't sure if I should keep my appointment for today. And I know when they leave this appointment, they feel confident and they feel reassured that they've found an excellent place for their dental needs. What distinguishes the Glen Dental is we use the latest in technology to provide our patients with the optimal results. The Dream Smile is a proprietary protocol that we work through for every patient. We use intraoral scans, we use 3D technology with CBCT and digital scans of occlusion. Our team is very experienced with these different treatment solutions that we provide our patients. We want every patient to feel confident about the solution that we've customized for them. Our team of hygienists is here to support you and help maintain these results for years to come. Our team is very skilled in making sure we support every patient through the treatment process. Not only will you meet with our treatment coordinator, but your doctor will meet with you and discuss all the solutions that are possible. We ask very specific questions. We just take a lot of digital information, and we want to make sure that that care is right for you. At the Glen Dental, we have over 60 years of experience in dental implant technology and providing the best solutions for our patients. We've seen different scenarios come through our office. Patients often feel that their case is something like we've never seen before. We want to make sure that every patient feels confident about the different solutions we've provided for them. If you're looking for these types of services, my message to you is that now is the time. Now is the time to take control of your future and your life. Having a healthy smile allows the world to smile with you. It opens up opportunities that you may have thought were impossible. We see transformations in people's lives on a daily basis. It really impacts them in a special way. We want you to be living your best life and striving to reach your potential. Let us work with you to give you the dream smile that you truly deserve.